Welcome to our channel, where we help you make informed decisions about your investments. Today, we'll be discussing two popular investment options, gold and stocks. Both have their pros and cons, but which one is better for your portfolio? We'll dive into the details and help you make the right choice. Part 1. Understanding gold as an investment option. First, let's talk about gold. For centuries, gold has been a symbol of wealth and stability. Many investors turn to gold during times of economic uncertainty as a safe haven asset. Gold is considered a store of value and has been known to hold its value even during times of market turbulence. However, gold doesn't generate any income, and its price is solely determined by supply and demand. Part 2. Understanding stocks as an investment option. Now let's turn to stocks. Investing in stocks is essentially investing in the underlying business. Stocks provide an opportunity for investors to participate in the growth of a company and potentially earn returns through capital appreciation and dividend payments. However, stocks are subject to market volatility, and there is always the risk of losing money. Part 3. Comparing gold and stocks as investment options. When it comes to comparing gold and stocks, there are a few key factors to consider. First, gold is often seen as a hedge against inflation, while stocks have historically outperformed inflation over the long term. Second, gold is often used as a diversification tool in a portfolio, while stocks offer exposure to specific industries or sectors. Third, gold can be a good short-term investment during times of economic uncertainty, while stocks are better suited for long-term growth. Part 4. Making the right choice for your portfolio. So which is better for your portfolio, gold or stocks? The answer ultimately depends on your investment goals and risk tolerance. If you're looking for a safe haven asset to protect against market volatility, gold may be the right choice. If you're looking for long-term growth and potential dividend income, stocks may be a better fit. It's important to diversify your portfolio with a mix of asset classes to mitigate risk and maximize returns. That's it for today's discussion on gold and stocks. We hope this video has provided you with a better understanding of the pros and cons of each investment option. Remember, there is no one-size-fits-all solution when it comes to investing. It's important to evaluate your own financial goals and make informed decisions. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more informative content on investing.